guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Recool hair, and they sent me this beautiful highlighted wig. I'm going to be showing you guys the wig just now, but before I jump into that, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So they sent me some stocking cap, which I do have one on my head right now. So they sent me, and this is just the regular stocking cap. Some baby hair combs, not baby hair combs, but some clips that I could use to help with the install. Some bonnet, well, not some, but a bonnet. Headband, very pretty. Some comb, baby hair comb. So that's what they sent to me inside the package. So if you're supposed to order from them, then this is what you guys will get. They also put the information about the wig inside the box so you guys would know. So it is a 22-inch body weave, 13x4 lace front wig, 200% density. For this wig, the fact that they said it's a lace front, I wanted to point that out. Now, when you order a lace front wig, you don't get the full 4x4 parting space on the sides. When you order a lace frontal, 4x4 is all around. But when you get a lace front, it's different. It's just the front part, pretty much, and maybe like a 2-inch extra parting space at the back. But this is what it looks like. No shedding so far. Literally maybe a strand or two, but that's it. And all I did was just bleach and pluck the hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my Ebin tinted lace spray and just pretty much start this install.
Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, deep. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day
Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, all summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and now it's like we planned it. Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior Watanabe on my, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, we took both, we took both, we took both, we took both, born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, nigga went tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is down to, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my, move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and peace, why can't losers never lose in peace, ain't nobody around me losing sleep, better find God before he find me, tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just do on a hoodie, it's a screenshot, way that I've been living unconventional, I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know, certain things have started getting canceled, think we need to have a sun adventure, I could be a man but maybe down the road, right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal, I can't even front like I don't miss you, right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own, soon as I free up I'm about to pop up on your phone, like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, who am I, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, two-turn baby girl, you know me,
I'm outside in it.
right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, two-turn baby girl, you know me, yeah.
is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. Also the links to the hair, it's the hair company, will be down in the description box. Once again, I would love to thank Recool Hair for sponsoring this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.